My mother was very, very proud of Moshe and the work that he did and the world that he inhabited. In fact, we all were. I mean, if I were to try to describe the contours of our family life, it's fair to say that everything was centered around Moshe Dluznowsky. He was the proud centerpiece of our family reality. We identified ourselves as, in my mother's case, Dluznowsky's vibe, and in the children's case, we were the very proud children of someone who we thought of as a important artist, and a important not just in the sense of contributing something new to the world, but important in terms of being a somewhat rare relic of a world that even then, back in the 1950s and 60s, was beginning to vanish. So we had a very clear sense of our father as a as someone to be cherished. And as a family, we drew a lot of our identity and, frankly, sense of our own specialness. Specialness being, sometimes an unattractive word. It wasn't that we felt superior in any way, God knows, but that we had a certain tradition to uphold and take pride in, and my father represented that.